My name is Dermot Ryan, Account Director at K.I.T Group. Good question. I would have liked to have said we saw the COVID-19 pandemic and the subsequent revolution in digital events coming. I mean, we're good, but we're not that good. But what I can say is we did identify it a number of years ago as a significant trend, and we knew it was going to grow exponentially over the years. So we really invested in our staff to get the DES certification. I got mine 4 years ago, and we didn't just invest in conference managers, we also invested in industry, in marketing, in program and content development, because we understood that it cuts across everything. And that has actually put us in a really good position now. I think there's already digital event fatigue. And what we strive to do is not to do a copy and paste from an in-person event. We want to create a specific experience working very closely with our clients that works for hybrid attendees or virtual attendees. And that requires time, it requires experience, it requires creativity, and it requires an understanding of how digital event engagement works or does not work.